got a little excited. We have our beautiful Southern Illinois oak here, which is going to be nice. This is mostly like a wall hanger. It's not really for use. It's more for decoration, maybe light use. We looked up on the internet, turning baseball bats, just randomly found this and found some kind of a schematic. We're going to go 2.5 and start tapering down. And then we're going to just start working to these measurements. I'm going to start turning this down into a circle. I'm going to wear a face mask because it's sketchy. I'm going to set the size here and then move along. This is for a 32-inch bat. We're doing a 30-inch bat, so it's pretty close. Right here, 2 inches, move over, and do a depth of, well, 2.5, 2 7/16, and so on. But hey, we'll just keep trying until we either get it right or just quit altogether. I'm not sure which, but let's go. But imagine it, it's in here. The baseball bat is in here somewhere. Make sure everything's still good. I'm gonna take down this, and then this is just about right. You just gotta smooth it out, probably level it out. So this is really close right here. This is where it goes down 1 3/4 and 1 1/8. This is where it's going here. It goes all the way down to 1 inch, which is seems pretty thin, but we'll see. We're gonna call this part pretty good, and we're gonna start working from here to the handle. Here's 30, there's 30, and then here's 32. We'll maybe check it and see what we think of it. brushing on a real nice coat here, and then instead of wiping it off and buffing it, we're going to let it dry.